Hello folks, this is the first Motion Lab channel. Please subscribe to be posted on our new projects. Let me thank everyone and all of you who subscribed to our channel. And those who just watched videos, thank you! Like and subscribe and we will begin now. Today we're gonna assemble our device and we will try to test it. First of all, we're going to prepare our board to install the components on it. Let's fix the board on the table and we'll try to use the solder paste. Okay, and now, when we're finished, let's try to use our heat gun to heat it up. Now our board is almost ready to install the components, but we just need to drill some holes. First of all, we're gonna install PWM controller. And of course, to see how does it work, we need to be voltmeter installed. One of the important components of our device is the Drossel. So, to do so powerful Drossel, we have to take two magnetic rings and put them together. If we're gonna get from this device 50 amps or more, we need to take several wires. Therefore, I'll have to make it myself. Now the time to switch our device on. We can see bright signal on oscilloscope. And we can adjust the output voltage. A lot of circuits you can find on YouTube don't work in the real conditions, but we're gonna try to test our device under the load. I think 13 volts and a half is the most popular voltage to use. First of all, try to connect our device directly to AC/DC inverter. That's good, we can see that jigsaw can be used. Let's try to use another load. This time try to use nichrome wire, and output voltage is really stable. And the most interesting, how much current we can get from this device. On the first step of our test, we can see that we have more than 20 amps. Next step, we have 26 amps. Under the load, the chrome wire is getting higher resistance, therefore current is dropping. 40 amps we got from this device too. If we look on voltage from our solar panels, we can see that it really drops because the power of the panels is not enough to provide us with so much current. And today we have got a real sun day and we can do our final test. And of course we got result we waited for. We got from our device more than 50 amps and this our aim. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and like if you find our video is useful for you.